Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use the Chroma key feature on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC application, and as you can see guys that I have added my green screen video to this project, and I'm going to use the Chroma key feature to remove this green screen. First thing first, we can click on the video, then go to the cutout option, and you have to activate the chroma key feature if you want to remove the green screen like this, and click on the color picker, and you have to click on the green color like this, and it can increase the strength and the shadow as well. And then I'm just going to look at the final result. As you can see guys that the green screen has been removed. Alright guys, and that's how we can use the chroma key feature on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.